It's not a question. It's just I just want to give you all the props again. I was just looking at my P&L over the last 15 days, and I have uh three down, three negative, and the negatives are less than 1%. I'm just I for something's clicked lately, and I'm going in small. I'm uh just listening in. I'm doing my analysis. I just all I do this often. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. You're amazing. This group's amazing. I'm so very grateful. That's it. That's all I got.
Nice job, Ray. You're very welcome. Now, Ray, did you trade before you came to American Dream Trading?
Heck no, I didn't even know what. Like, my gosh, no, nope, no. And I've the other thing I've been doing is I trade stocks in the free market. I just look for the runners. I kind of just, I know what to look for now. Like I know what to, how to kind of analyze if it's going to go up or down, or and it's just the not like you've just given me such a gift. And man, if I could talk to TikTok on your behalf, like seriously, you are the man. You're the goat.
Thank you, Ray. I appreciate you, buddy. And I'm
All
glad
right.
you're just crushing it too. That's awesome.